Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flag and highlight the max and min values in a table chart. Step 1. Create a measure as you normally would, and name it as the sum of volume. And then the next step is to create a matrix table, and put product on the rows, and country column on the columns, and then put the measure we just created from step 1 on the values. And now let's turn off the subtotals for both rows and columns to make it more clear. And then the next step is to create a new measure to detect mean and max. Make sure you copy all the formulas here, and the only things you need to change are the table names, your product and country columns, and the sum of volume, which is the measure we created from step 1. And now we need to change the background color. First, go to Cell Elements, turn on background color, and then select that FX icon. And in the pop-out window, select Rules for the format style, and select the measure we created for detecting mean and max. And we're going to set up the rules. If the value is 1, we will assign red color to the mean value. And if the value is 2, the max value will be flagged in green. And now the table will look something like this, as the mean and max values of the entire table will be flagged in red and green. But what if we want to have the mean and max for each column? That means we need to make a slight change on the measure. So in the detect and mean max measure, we need to add one more thing into the formula. Whatever dimension we put on the rows, we will put the same thing in all selected function. So in this case, we will put product into it. And that's how we're going to flag and highlight the mean and max for each column.